Hello, my name is Anna and welcome to Leggett Lifestyles. Today we're in the southwest of France and specifically in the town of Carcassonne. Carcassonne has a long history. It starts before Christ, but the most interesting part of the Carcassonne history starts around the 11th century, which is the time of the Crusades. Jackie Bolter is an estate agent with Leggett Immobilier who lives in La Cité.
I've lived there for probably 9 years, and every day when I go out of La Cité and come back and have a look, see it in the distance or whatever, you've still got that wow factor. It's just magnificent. It is the most well-preserved medieval city in Europe. There are quite a few things to see in La Cité if you are visiting, and one of them is the church, the Basilique Saint-Nazaire. The other thing to see is the chateau, which was built by the Trinqueval family. You can actually get a tour of the chateau and walk around the ramparts, and there is a small museum in there. And one of the things I love about living there is the fact that you can just walk out and have a meal or go and look in the shops or see what the tourists are doing. And it's really great. It's like you're on holiday all the time.
Bastide Saint-Louis is as old as Carcassonne. It was established in medieval times and it has gone through 100 Years' War, it has gone through the Crusades, and it has gone through the Revolution. But today it's mainly your social center. This is where you will find cafes, bistros, most famous of which is Felix. You can also take a walk around town and see some of the old bourgeois buildings in downtown. Once you're finished with Place Carnot, you can go another 400 meters out of town near the train station La Gare, where you will be at the banks of the Canal du Midi, another UNESCO site. The Canal du Midi was built by Paul Riquet under the reign of Louis XIV, and 245 kilometers of canal between Limoux and Sète were dug by hand, meaning with a pickaxe and shovel. There were over 15,000 people working on the canal, and there's an intricate lock system, over 60 locks that you pass through to go from Toulouse to Béziers.
Hi, I'm Andrew Guck, your local Leggett agent here in Carcassonne, and today we're at Lac de Cavaillère. If you've already spent a day over at the medieval city or the Canal de Midi and you're looking for something else to do where you can just relax and enjoy some time in the sun, this is the perfect place. There's an acrobranche over in the forest here that you can enjoy with your friends. Other things you can do here too is there's actually a ski lift that'll take you on a cord and kind of drag you on the water skis, and you can do the jumps and the ramps and that sort of thing too. Other things you can do is bring your children along, and there are some jumps and things like that they can do out here on the water. Swimming is allowed, fishing. It's a great place just to come for a walk or a run. It's approximately 6-7 kilometers all the way around. Other than that, it's a place that I come regularly. I live just a few kilometers down the road, and it's one of my favorite places here in Carcassonne. So I hope you enjoy it.
If you do come to this lovely area, come and see what the city has to offer. Take in the glorious scenery and come and see us, because we can help you find your dream home in the south of France.